The technical protocol for the all-in-4 with the PEEK from JUVORA is very similar for the regular all-in-4. The only difference is the material is different, so we need to take care of some different issues. The first one is the design. It must be different because we need to attend to finish lines. The second one is the way we finish the PEEK. We need to take care to protect the PEEK. We need to put protection caps in those PEEK because it's not only the PEEK from JUVORA, all other PEEKs, they are very soft, not at touch, but with burrs. If you touch with burrs, you destroy it. After that is the bonding. The bonding is very important because it's what will unify two different products. It's very difficult to put together polymer and acrylic because they don't bond itself. You need something between them to make the bond, and that bond must be so stronger that they will not be able to fall apart. After the bonding, you need to choose what kind of bonding you are using, because you can use a chemical bond or a mechanical bonding. After that, it becomes regular, like the all-in-4 technique. You just wax it, prepare to polymerize it, and the steps for the polymerization is exactly the same as we do for the other type of all-in-4s, because it's acrylic. The only thing different is what is inside. PEEK compared with the other materials, it looks weaker than it is, because you can see that it is resilient. It's not like titanium that you cannot bend it. This one you can bend it, and he has memory. It comes to the initial form, but it's very nice because he acts like a bumper, like a shock absorber. So in the beginning, I thought it will not result because we have something that as ductile, as soft inside of acrylic, that is very rigid, but it turns to be at the contrary. It looks nice because it can absorb all the shock and impact from the mastigation. The technical protocol for the all-in-4 with PEEK is slightly different from the regular all-in-4 without titanium or with titanium, because we can use two types of bonding. The first issue is that you need to take care of the design of the framework slightly different from the titanium. So you need to have rough lines, the edges, for the finish between the acrylic and the PEEK to be almost zero. You don't feel difference. Then the opaque must be so strong that you cannot feel difference between the PEEK from JUVORA and the acrylic that will cover that structure. After that, the way that you finish the product at the final, you can achieve a result so bright and so shine that you will not feel difference between one and the other one. You just see the PEEK that contact the cylinders, and the rest just acrylic.